Hi everyone, this is a tutorial video for the Indra system, which is an agent-based modeling system written in Python. In this video, we will show you how to create a simple agent-based model from scratch. Before we get into creating a new model, let's see some runnable example models first, like the forest fire model. Forest fire model is an agent-based model that describes wildfire spreading and extinguishing through progress. Firstly, the terminal is asking us for some parameters like grid height, width, the probability that a tree will catch fire, tree density, etc. Let's keep the default values for now and start running the simulation to see the effects. We can see from the menu that there are a number of actions that we can take, such as run and for and periods. Let's try this. It's asking us how many periods we want to run. Let's give 5 a try. Well, we are getting a lot of outputs here. Let's scroll back to the top to see what is happening here. Okay, we can see it here. Then we start with 704's healthy trees and none of the others. Let's see what happens next. Oh, now the healthy trees decreased to 699, and we can see the rest of them had new fires starting on them. Those fires will spread with speed, and soon we will see the changes on the trees surrounding them as well. Now, not only is the new fire number increasing, the number of non-fire trees is also increasing, as trees can easily catch fire if fire is already present nearby, and it keeps on self-replicating. Some trees are already burned out by this time. We'll see this number keep on increasing as the forest fire is spreading. When a tree is burned out, it reaches its final state, or it may not, since there is still a possibility for a burnout tree to have new growth later, right? So basically, you should now have a brief overview or at least an idea how an agent-based model works. So you want to build a customized model on your own? Let's go through the code together on transforming a basic model template that we provide to another working model called segregation now. We'll modify a prototype model into a real segregation model step by step to show that new developers don't have to start from scratch. But before we get started, let me have a brief introduction of segregation model. The goal is to show that people with middle in-group preference towards their own group could still lead to a highly segregated society. Next, let's get into changing the code. I will explain more during the process. First, let's manage our agent settings like agent names and agent numbers. Each model will have a parameter called group struct, which is a dictionary that contains group agent info either as a default constant or as a variable mapping to a specific value in modelname.props.json. For example, let's look at the basic groups we have in basic.py. Inside the basic groups, we can see two keys, blue group and red group. Those are the group names that you can customize. Let's see inside what we have in blue group. We have 3 attributes here. The first attribute defines what the agent will do at each turn when the model is running. Here we can see what the agent will do is specified in the function called basic_action. We'll dig into this function later and change the function to make it do segregation model's job instead of basic. Second and third attributes together define the number of agents that we want to have. Prop specifies that we are going to read the number of blue agents from the variable non-blue, which is defined in the props.json file. If we fail to get the property value, the fallback method will help to get the value from the constant we defined in this file. play around a bit to see how changes in this setting affect the model.